There
Ahoy!
we go. Look at that. Okay. Ahoy, it's a boy.
Yeah, I'm just deciding on the it's a boy.
So tiny letters.
Hmm?
You have to have tiny letters.
Well, they are pretty small,
Yep.
but when they do all those flags for it's a boy, well, 7. 7's not too many, I guess. I've already got 4 on there. There we go. Did you see that or did you miss it?
You missed it.
Sorry. You missed it.
Sorry. I'm sure it was good though.
Well, let's just see if it fits and then I'll show you. There will be plenty more opportunities. There we go.
Okay.
Ha, ha. H, ha. Cut. Wiggle. Push. See that?
Hmm.
Did you see that time?
We saw that.
Ha.
Ah.
Where's the O? Ahoy.
Ahoy.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's a.
I messed that up.
So the next word is
If I have this wider right now, you're not going to be able to read it all. You're going to have to go halfway around the cake to actually
Yeah.
read everything.
That would be
And
too
that's
much
why I
work.
was questioning, do I want to do
Yeah.
it's a boy here with the flags, or did I want to just do like a plaque of some sort there? Because I don't like it when you have to go, what's the cake say?
Yeah.
Like that. So that was, I actually was thinking about it. So let's see, here's the I. I. These are kind of fun now.
Yeah.
Tuz, it. Do you like
It's
how
a-
I'm?
Yeah. Spelling it out.
Yeah. Okay, so there we go. That's cute. So then I'll just take a little piece of the red fondant here, roll it into a ball, like so.
Okay.
And since I had some shortening on it, it's probably going to stick.
So this is custom made apostrophe.
Look at that.
Wow. Ahoy, it's a boy.
Ahoy, it's a boy. Okay, so now I've got my white fondant. I need to do some rope. And I know my little rope things are in here. So there's different size discs to do different size rope. I'm going to use the larger one. And this is just the Makin's clay extruder. Make sure you knead up your fondant a little bit. Roll it into a cord. And let me actually put, gonna need the bottom piece. That always helps. This one right here. Gonna go ahead and pop that down in there like so. Yow. Screw this on.
Can we see the end of it? We can zoom in.
Okay, push that in. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and twist this on out. The twisty,
And twisty.
can we see?
Right now it's just a weird looking.
Okay, so
kind of
opposite. Woo!
thing.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Twist
magic.
and shout.
It's magic.
Do.
I don't know who invented that, but they're a genius.
Genius.
It's genius.
That's right. Genius.
That one looks perfect.
They really are, actually. Genius. Okay, so we're going to cut some little pieces. Palette knife, my best friend. Probably could have used this smaller one.
Yeah. Could have.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle this size.
There's a smaller rope disc?
Yes.
Ah.
Okay, and then what I thought I was going to do, like around the side here, is take this. So let's see. We've got this and this about here, so like halfway. This is how I measure. If you actually have like a, I'm just gonna eyeball it because I don't have a, so like right about here is probably the middle, the back, probably. I'm gonna take this rope from the middle and the back and bring it up to here.
Almost swag-like.
Almost. I should wonder if I want to do, you know what, I'm going to do this. Okay, I'll do the same thing. I'll bring it down.